Bonjour, Miss Ami. Je m'appelle Aditi Pandey. So, I'm your friend's teacher, and today we are going to do the back exercise of Leçon de Bonjour. So, let us start with our first question, which is Complete le dialogue, which means complete the dialogues. So, our first dialogue is A. Salut. B. So B would also reply Salut because if A is talking to him in an informal manner, B would also talk to him in an informal manner. So his reply would be Salut. So I will write here Salut. Okay. So next is A would if B is replying Ça va bien merci et toi. So A would ask Como ça va? Because if A would ask Como ça va means how are you, then only B would reply I am fine, thank you. And you. So A would reply Ça va bien means I am also fine. Then B is saying au revoir means goodbye. If A can say au revoir, a demain, a bientôt, anything you want, he can say like that. So you can write anything here. In the next dialogue, he is saying bonjour. B. Bonjour. Then A is replying Je m'appelle Louis et toi. If A is replying Je m'appelle Louis et toi, which means B asked his name, which is Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Then only B would reply in that manner. And because he is saying toi, toi means uh, in an informal way it is said for you. So this means that B and A are friends or some friends or some family member, anything they can be. So that is why they are talking in an informal manner. Then B would reply his name. Like my name is Aditi, I would say Je m'appelle Aditi. And A would say anything, au revoir, or chante, anything to end the conversation. Now, in the next conversation here, he is saying bonjour monsieur. So you would also say bonjour monsieur or madame or mademoiselle as you wish. Then je vais bien, merci, et vous. He is saying et vous, which means it is a formal conversation because vous is you in formal manner. So B would say comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? And then A replied, I am fine, thank you, and you. Then B would say, I am also fine. So he would say, je vais bien, merci. Then A is saying au revoir. B would also say au revoir. The next exercise is your homework. Do the dialogue 4 and do the dialogue 4 in the comment section. So let me check your knowledge, how much you have learned in this chapter. Next question. Écrivez en français, which means write in French. So hello. Hello in French would be bonjour or salut. Anything. Then next is goodbye. So goodbye in French is au revoir. Goodbye in French is au revoir. How are you? Formal. It is comment allez-vous? It is comment allez-vous? What is your name? Formal. Comment vous appelez-vous? The next is my name is. Je m'appelle. The next is see you tomorrow. So see you tomorrow is à demain. See you soon. A bientôt. Glad to meet you. Okay, so glad to meet you is your homework. Tell me in the comment section what is glad to meet you. Okay. Next is what is your name? Informal. Comment tu t'appelles? And I am fine, thank you. Formal. Je vais bien, merci. So this page is also done. Let us move to the next page. So the next question is appelez bien. What here we have to spell correctly. Means the spelling is written wrong here, and we have to write the correct spelling. So first is bonne nuit, which means good night. So the spelling of good night is double N E. Bonne nuit. Here the spelling of born is incorrect and we have to correct it. Next is Oshante. Oshante, the spelling is wrong because it is a here. Here there would be not E, it would be A. ENCHANTE, and E would have oxo over it. Next, au revoir. Okay, so now I think you can know the spelling of au revoir. So tell me in the comment section. Au revoir and mademoiselle. These two you will comment up. Fourth is a bientôt. A bientôt. A would have oxo. Then bientôt. T-O-T and oxo over it. Now this is the right spelling. Next is Monsieur. So the spelling of Monsieur is Monsieur. This is the correct spelling. So now the fourth exercise. This exercise you will do yourself because I think this is very easy as you have learned the chapter and you can do it yourself, right? So tell me in the comment section that what would be the correct spelling of these. So thank you for today.